Leet code of 13 Roman to integer. Alright. Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols, which we learned in the previous one. I is 1 up to M is 1,000. Yes. So, yep. Re-explains the 4, 9, 40, 90, 400, and 900. It is guaranteed S is a valid Roman numeral within 4,000. Okay. So, what approach should we take? I mean, we can take the same if approach, but let's not do that. It's a lot of typing. Instead, I think we'll make a value list like so. And X would be 10. L would be 50. C is 100. D is 500. And M is 1,000. Much easier than the other one. And then our result is going to be 0. Of a length of n, and we'll have an index of I. Could use a for loop here, but well, I is less than n. And I always forget, so let's do it now. Return result. Alright. Well, the valid result is from 1 to 3,000, but alright. So if the index is less than n minus 1, and string of I, so the index of the string, and we get the hash value. The current one is less than the next one, because we have to check for 4s and 9s. In that case, plus equals S of I plus 1. So this will be the 50 minus 10, or 5 minus 1 is 4, or 10 minus 1 is 9, and 100 minus 10 is 90. And so we'll do it in the reverse, like this. And then that way, we'll increase I by 2. Otherwise, the result is just going to be S of I. In this. And we can increase I. So then this way we just go both. Okay. Looks good. And what did I do wrong? d of s of I is less than d of s of I plus 1. Oh, I changed my result from 0. How silly. And I'm adding to it. How silly is that? Tisk. Absolute silliness. And then we can do the same. Wait. In Python, you make these sets like with these brackets. I, D, L. Okay, this is like, what am I doing? This is the least consistent way to type ever. Okay, hold up, I need a, what was I freaking doing? Spaces some, okay. Space after each one. That's what we're going with. Jeez. Result is equal to 0. Is n is length of s, and I is 0. Oh, we can actually. Kind of want to combine them. Okay. Well, I less than n, and if I less than n minus 1, and d of s of I, if I could only type, is less than d of s of I plus 1. The result is going to be equal plus s of I plus 1 minus d of s of I, and then I plus equals 2 as we did before, else sum plus equals the dictionary of s of I. Why did I type something again? Am I crazy? We are summing, but I named the variable result. I guess I just used some more in Python. And there we go, Roman integer. Very easy.